class with different groups of 4. One person is going to count her friends, Olivia, okay? And we're going to sing a song. Repeat. Friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. Friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. You're my friend.
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 Friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. Okay, we can go round. Friends, friends, 1, 2, 3.